Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize Astra theme in WordPress. So very first thing I'm gonna do is to install Astra theme in my WordPress, and in order to do that, firstly you need to go to appearance and select the option themes. And cause we're gonna install Astra theme, so we'll search here Astra. In fact, you'll see here. So once you search that, they'll just search the term and will give you the Astra theme. So wait for a couple of seconds here. And yeah, here it is. So just click on install. Once it is installed, just click on activate. Now at this point we have successfully installed and activated the Astra theme. Now we're gonna install plugin into our WordPress site. So how you can do that, just go to plugins, click on add plugin. The plugin we're gonna install is by the name of starter templates, and yeah, this is the one right here. So just click on install now. Again, once it is installed, just click on activate. Now as you can see that the plugin is redirecting us to the main window of the plugin, where we can explore couple of designs which we can get for our website. But for some reason, if they didn't bring you here, you can follow the way. Just let me exit the dashboard. Now let me show you how you can go there. So firstly you just need to go to plugins and click on install plugins, and the plugin which we have installed was this one. So we just gonna click on get started, and yeah, we are on the same page again. So here you have two options. Either you can build your website by website builder, which is from AI, or you can go with classic starter templates. So I'm gonna click on this one, build with templates. Here you have two options. Either you can go with block editor or Elementor. People generally prefer Elementor, so I'm gonna proceed with Elementor. Now here you have thousands of templates. You can explore this template, and here you have specific categories. Like if you see, couple of templates are here in this category. If I go to business, choose let's say agency, I'll see templates according to that particular niche. Similarly, you have lot of more categories like personal sites, professionals, personal care. Here you have beauty, fitness, yoga. It's up to you, like what kind of website you want to create. If you choose that right on this page, it would be so easier for you as a starting point. It would be so great when you're like creating a website. So it's recommended to use the exact template how you wanna make your website to look like. And also you can like type the keyword here, whatever you want to type, you can just type that. Let's say I type software to see like what they'll suggest us. Okay, here you can see that they are giving this kind of templates. So let's say for my website I'll go with real estate kind of templates, and the template I want to use for my site is this one right here. So I can just click on this, and here you can get the preview like how your website gonna look like if you choose this template. So it is looking good, and the best thing is that you can change the color of the website. Like you can change the palette or change the kind of color theme they have used. If I go with red, this kind of look I'll get. If I choose red color, if I choose this purple color, the look will look like this. And the green one is also good. So I like this kind of look, so I can keep this. And also I can change the font. Here you can see. So it is up to you what you like. And also if you wanna upload the logo of your site, you can upload that from here, like upload files, and they'll let you to choose the file from your computer. Now I wanna just proceed with as it is, so I'll click on continue, and just on this window scroll a bit, and here you just need to click on continue, click on skip and continue. Then on this window you can tell them a bit about yourself, like your first name, your email ID, all that stuff. Once you do that, just check this box and click on submit and build my website. And yeah, our website is ready. So just click on view your website, and this is how our website is currently looking like. So you can see this is the exact template which we have selected, and don't worry, we can do any changes we want. Like we can change this text. If you want to change the image from here, you can easily do that too. So firstly you have these options like customize. From here you can add post, media, page, template, whatever you want to add, you can do that from here. You can edit the page, and if you want to like edit particular page with Elementor, you can click on this option. And the best part is that you can use your website right on this window. Like if I click on project, the project page will open, and you need to choose the kind of page which you want to edit. So let's say I wanna edit my home page. or let's say I wanna edit my about page, I can just click on about. The page will open and we can just easily edit that by using Elementor. So this is the about page which we have opened. Let's say I don't want to edit this, but instead I wanna edit my home page, so I can click on home. They'll redirect us on the home page, and from there we can easily edit that by using Elementor. So we got the option edit with Elementor. So just because we want to edit the home page, that's why we are on the home page, and now we'll proceed with edit with Elementor. So after clicking on this option, they'll allow us to edit the home page. So wait for a couple of seconds until we get the main menu. So yeah, this is the main menu of Elementor, and by using this you can add headings to your page, you can add images, videos, you can put icons on your page. This is what you can do by using Elementor editor. So let's say I want to edit this text. How I can do that? Just move your cursor over to this and you'll get to see the pencil icon. Click on that. Here you have the title option, so we'll just type anything we want to type there. Let's say I want to type try it. Okay, so that's how you can edit text. Let's say I want to edit this now, so I can again move my cursor over to this and click on the pencil icon. I can change the text. Let's say I want to type something like here, make your website. Okay, also you can just select the text, make it bold, italic, and also you have couple of more options here which you can explore. Now let's say you want to change the image, so how you can do that? Let's say I want to change this image, so we just need to select the image. Then here you have the option to choose the image. Click on this, and just right here you can drag and drop your images, or also you can select the files. Let's say we go with select files. The image I want to put there is this one right here, so we can just double click on it and the image will be inserted here. Then just click on select, and just after a few seconds you will see that they are replacing the image. So this is how you can change text, this is how you can change images, and similarly you can just change these buttons too. Just click on this pencil icon. Here you can change the text. Let's say I type here learn more. The text will be changed. Similarly we can just change the color of the box. What you can do that by going to style, advanced. You have every options for this box, so you can explore that. As I said, once you do all the changes to your page, it's time to publish it. So for that, just click on publish. Now at this point the site is live and people can see all the changes you have done. So let's say I click on preview changes, they'll open the new tab and exactly shows how the site will look like to people. Here you can see the text is changed, the image which we have changed is also updated. So that was about how you can edit the content of your page. Now let's say you wanna edit the header and footer of the page. How you can do that? This is the footer and this was the header. If you wanna edit this, for that just click on customize, and again to edit the header we need to move a cursor over to it. You will see the pencil icon, click on that. Then here you have the option to adjust the height of the header. So if you want to make it smaller, bigger, you can do that from here. Now if you want to put your logo onto it, just click on site title and logo option. Here you have the option to change the logo, further option regarding it. Then you can put HTML code. It's up to you, like whatever changes you want to do, you can do that from here. Go to design. Here you see the option for change color. You can change the tagline and set margin according to you. That's how you can edit the header, and similarly you can change the footer as well. Just click on this pencil icon again. Right here you'll see widget and you can just put this. Similarly you can just change the layout of the footer. So that's up to you, whichever you like. Again you can choose that according to you. Go to design. Here you will see inner column spacing. So if you want to increase the spacing between these columns, you can increase or decrease that by adjusting this bar. So yeah, this is the way to change the header and footer of your site. Once you're happy with the changes, just click on publish and your changes will get published. To exit from this window, just click on this cross. Now let's say you wanna add page here. So in order to add the page, we need to click on new, and just here we're gonna select the option page. Again we're gonna go with Elementor, so click on edit with Elementor. Right here on this window you can create a page by using this option. Like if you click here, you will able to see the pages, templates, and by using this you can create a page. Or also you can go to this left panel, and by using this panel you can put heading to your page, you can put images, videos, you can put like text editor and everything you have here. So let's say I wanna put heading first, so I can just drag this heading and just put it here. And let's say I wanna type here sample page, and similarly in order to put image or video you just need to drag this here. So if it is a YouTube video or Dailymotion, you need to choose that and then put the link here, but in my case the video is self-hosted, so I'll click this one. Then here you need to choose video. Let's click on select files. The video I want to put there is this one, so I can just double click on that. So the video is successfully selected. I can just click on select, and yeah, you can see the video is right here. So that's how you can add video, images by following the same process. Once you put all the things to your page and you wanna publish it, just click on publish button, and yeah, this is how the page gonna look like to people. Now if you look at it closely, the page is not here in the ribbon. Like home is there, projects, services, about, and contact us, but the sample page is not here. And in order to add that in this ribbon, how you can do that, just you need to click on customize, then choose the option menus. Here choose the option main menu, and yeah, here on this window you can see all the pages we are able to see here are on this ribbon. So in order to add the sample page here, how you can do that, just click on add items, then here you need to choose the page. So the page we're gonna put there was the sample page, so click on this. Once you do that, just click on publish, and yeah, here you can see just like the home page, project page, services page, we have the sample page added on this ribbon, and it is not that much visible due to the color they have given us here. But yeah, this is pretty much of it about customizing Astra theme in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.